start our very own sprinkle party.
Treat yourself tonight.
Show you what we got, right?
Yes, you got a new Cakey Kitchen.
Wow.
Emerson, Daddy said there's a surprise outside. You want to go see?
Yeah.
It's out front. What is it? What is it?
Yeah, let's open it up.
Let's go see. What is it? What is it?
The Dollhouse kitchen.
Oh my goodness! What are we gonna make?
Oh my gosh, it's literally a full kitchen. Wait, does it come with a plushie?
I don't know. Let's see.
Let's open it up.
And why is all this stuff hot?
We have all the stuff out of the box. We're just trying to find Cakey, right?
Yes.
That is amazing.
Okay, now I'm gonna put
Presenting the Gabby's Dollhouse Cakey Kitchen. We are so excited to win a Tryabox Tryazon party. Uh-huh.
And Debbie got it from a packet today.
That's right. They sent the package out. We got to unbox it.
Yes.
And
Ta-da!
Emmy got to put it together. Was it hard to put together?
No, but me and Daddy did it together without a road.
That's right. She even helped Daddy set it up. It was super easy. And it is so much fun. So we cannot wait to show it off.
Now it's my turn.
Uh-huh.
I'll be the organizer to organize everything for Dad to build. And Dad to build.
That's right. So this ultimate play kitchen is over 3 feet tall. It's also in 23 pieces
Now
of...
my turn.
Uh-huh. Do you want to show us?
Yeah. Dad the pictures. Then I will put pictures. I did this part. Then I will do this part. Then I cut it.
So it comes with a stove, a sink,
And
a
then
refrigerator.
back part too. Then the back part. A seat for Cakey.
That's right. Of course, it comes with your very own Cakey.
Yeah.
Press it.
Is it my turn?
What's Cakey say?
Sprinkle party. Help yourself to anything you find. Wait, that one's mine. That's my turn. This kitchen serves every kind of food, but the food is pretend. So let's pretend food today, and then we can do it for a
Every day is a what?
single party. Cupcakes, baking, couple dozen treats in the making. Gotta gobble them up when the timer sounds. Sweet life. But the food is pretend, so let's pretend food today.
And I think I hear cat rat. Oh
That make me the most
Cat
cat
Rat
amazing of all the Gabby
no! I
cats.
hope cat rat stays away because we don't want him to mess up our. What's your favorite part? What's in the refrigerator?
Cake here. Nothing I love more than a
Ooh,
sprinkle
is that an
party.
egg?
Oh yeah. Cupcakes.
What's in the egg?
Couple dozen treats in the making.
Oh, we're gonna need an egg to make our cookie pizza.
Look.
We can use our imagination though, right? And what's on the top? What's up here?
A cat.
A cat? What else do we have up here? Oh, the salt fell into the sink. Let's put the salt and pepper up here. They're so cute.
And we have cats on the bottoms. Look.
Oh, they even have kitty cats on the bottom.
Yeah.
Here's Cakey and the recipe holder. Let's put some
that one's mine.
see what happens. Oh, so cute. I love Cakey. What's in the sink? Oh, you got some dishes in the sink. Is this a piece of kitty cat toast?
Yeah.
Cakey, you want to try that? Can we make a Cakey sandwich? Look. Here's some pickles. I like pickles on my sandwich. Can I have a pickle sandwich?
Cakey red pig is the best.
Ooh, I love pickles. Let me see. Can I? Oh, my mouth is watering. I cannot wait to try that. Can I have a pickle sandwich?
Not yet.
Not yet?
Yeah, because
Maybe we should heat it up a little bit. Oh, it's getting hot. Be careful.
Here it is. The pan.
The pan. Let's put the sandwich in the pan. I like my sandwich to be a little bit hot. Careful. Don't burn yourself.
It's okay. It's not
Oh, does that have strawberries on it? Is this a strawberry pickle sandwich?
Yeah, I thought you just did.
Mmm. Wait, is that cheese?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. This is going to be delicious. Okay, let's put it in here and let's heat it up. I can't wait to try this. Thank you so much for making me a sandwich. I was
That's
so...
Cakey sandwich.
Oh, that's for Cakey? It's not for me?
But that's okay. You
Can I
make
share?
your own sandwich
Oh, okay, I'll make my own. Okay, how do we turn on the stove?
like this.
Now what do we do while it's heating up?
What?
We sing!
Every day is a sprinkle party. Treat yourself to that sweet sunshine. Come on in, it's a sprinkle party. Help yourself to anything you find. Wait, that one's mine.
Great job. Is it ready now?
Yep.
Do you smell that?
Yeah, that's gonna put in the freezer.
Oh, to cool it off a little bit?
Yep.
Okay.
It's
idea.
okay if it gets ruined.
Why? Can I try a bite before it gets cold?
I think it's gonna be a little bit low. Amazing for it.
I'm gonna try a bite.
Okay.
Let's let Cakey try it. See what Cakey thinks. Uh-oh, we dropped the pickles. That's Cakey's favorite part, right, Cakey? Let's let Cakey try it. Let's see what Cakey thinks.
No.
Is it paw-tastic?
Yay!
What did Cakey say? Let's see. Did you like it, Cakey? Oh, sorry.
Delicious!